Okay, here we are on the settings screen. It's picture. So I've got it set for adaptive right now. Expert settings in case you want to change the brightness, contrast, sharpness, color, tint. Here's the sound. Right now the sound output's coming through the speakers. And I actually want to go ahead and do optical. So now my sound should be coming out of my external speakers instead of the TV speakers. And as you can see in there, you have the option of doing Bluetooth as well. Again, you also have expert settings, so you can make changes here. HDMI eARC, digital output format, delay, sound feedback. General. Here's your voice assistants, network. Let me check my network status. Okay, it shows here that I am connected. Let's go ahead and close this. If you want to open the network settings, which I'm on wired, so I don't need to mess with any of this. If you want to reset it, expert settings, power on with mobile, IP remote, disable it. I've got it on disable and leave that there as the default. System manager, you can change the time, device name, your Samsung account, change PIN number. This is the auto protection time. This is activate the screensaver. Usage mode for the home mode or retail. I'll leave the sleep timer off. The off timer, I'll keep that off. External device manager. I don't have an HDMI ARC device connected, so don't need to mess with that. I do have a Bluetooth keyboard that I will connect to this because it was connected to my previous TV, so I need to remove it off of that one and put it on here. I'll do that later though. Eco settings, auto power off, ambient light detection, accessibility settings, voice guiding. Let's leave all these off. High contrast, grayscale, color inversions, enlarge. Some of the smart features, auto run the smart hub. So this is turned on, so basically it'll auto display the smart hub when the TV is turned on. Auto run last app, so it'll run the last app. And this auto runs multi-view casting. So multi-view runs automatically when you cast YouTube content from your mobile. And for multi-view supported screens only, including live TV, external devices, or apps. So that's kind of cool. Reset. Let's see what else. Your support screen, terms and policy. Okay. So that's pretty much it for the settings, it looks like. Right here, I'm just on the app screen. Yep, the Netflix button, Prime Video button, Samsung TV Plus takes you right to it so you don't have to search through the menu. And of course you have your quick start applications down here on the bottom, which you can add and remove too. So let's go ahead and, using the remote control, when you're on here you just point down on your wheel, and then I don't use Apple, I don't like Apple, so I'm just going to remove that. Let's go ahead and remove it. I don't actually use Hulu, so I'll go and remove that one too. The rest I'll go ahead and leave. And here we are back to the list of different apps you can install on your TV. You can search by genre, group content, and these are the popular apps. Editor choice apps. So I can see quite a few apps here that I would actually need to install. Go ahead and exit that. Well, that's pretty cool. So here's my HD home run quad that I've got connected to it. It's automatically displaying probably through the network. I've got a QNAP as well hooked up to this. I've got my Plex running off of that, so it's automatically detected it as well. Allows you remote access to it. Let me see let me power on my Xbox and see how that looks. My old KS8000 actually identified it immediately as an Xbox as soon as it was turned on, and it eventually showed it as saying Xbox. There it goes. Yep. This one identified it as well. And if it's anything like the KS8000, it will probably say Xbox instead of HDMI 4. Yep, there it goes. Now instead of saying HDMI 4, now it just says Xbox One instead. I'm guessing the first time I turn this one on, it'll automatically detect it as the Amazon Fire TV Cube. So real quick, I wanted to go ahead and show you the remote control feature on the Samsung apps. So here, instead of using the remote, you can use your Samsung phone. Sorry, you can't really see it too well, but it's like here's the home button, and there's the home comes up on the TV, the back button. Here I have the option of mirroring the screen. I can view TV on phone, play TV sound on the phone, play phone sound on TV. Got the ambient settings here, calendar notifications, update data, edit, effortless login. So here's the ambient settings, auto brightness, ambient mode on and off. So ambient auto on off is automatically turn on ambient mode when this device gets close to the TV screen. Let's see if we can do view TV on phone. There you go, up on the upper screen, it's trying to connect to my TV. So let's go ahead and allow it. And there you go. The TV is now being mirrored onto my phone. Hit the home screen. There it goes on my phone as well as the TV. And then if you hit it, I can barely see that TV on. Change the source, you can return. You can change the ratio. So you can change the source here in the bottom. Now you can pick which source you want to use. Just turn the TV off. Still displaying on the phone even though it's off on the TV. And there you go, just turn the TV back on. Changing the ratio. There's the return. And then actually I exited by hitting the back button on the phone. It allows you to exit that. that's set up. There it goes, and I'm back to my phone again. So that's pretty cool. That's the ambient mode button right here that I just hit. So now there's the ambient mode again. Hit the home key. Now I'm back to the main screen. Got the options just like you have on your remote. Number display, channel guide, the 4D touchpad, which basically mimics this right here, the wheel. And there it is. That's how you would control your TV using the SmartThings app as well. So that's pretty cool. I hope this was informative. You guys got a nice look at the Q90T 65-inch TV, Quantum TV. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a good day, and as always, stay safe out there.